Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your ultimate destination for high-end interior design inspirations and creative home decor ideas. In today's video, we are diving deep into the art of seasonal refinement as we explore expert tips for achieving a glamorous and luxury spring aesthetic. We will guide you through curated concepts designed to breathe new life and sophistication into every corner of your living space. If you find these ideas inspiring, please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more design excellence. Spring is the perfect season to introduce a soft yet sophisticated color story into your primary living areas. By layering creamy whites with subtle hints of champagne and powder blue, you create an atmosphere of airy luxury. High-quality textiles like silk and velvet in these muted tones reflect natural light beautifully during the brighter months. This approach ensures your home feels refreshed while maintaining a grounded sense of timeless elegance. Incorporating nature doesn't have to mean sacrificing glamour, especially when you utilize metallic finishes. Seek out gold leaf planters or brass frame terrariums to house your vibrant spring greenery and floral arrangements. The contrast between organic textures and polished metals provides a high-fashion edge to traditional seasonal decor. These shimmering details catch the sunlight, acting as jewelry for your room's overall ensemble. Nothing says luxury quite like the way light dances through high-quality crystal fixtures. Replace heavy winter pendants with intricate chandeliers that feature delicate, floral-inspired glasswork to mirror the blooming world outside. As the days grow longer, these pieces serve as stunning focal points that anchor your room's design even when turned off. It is an effortless way to elevate the vertical space in your home with sheer brilliance. Velvet remains a staple of luxury, but the transition to spring calls for a shift toward lighter, more vibrant jewel tones. Consider reupholstering a signature armchair in a soft sage or a pale lavender to bridge the gap between coziness and freshness. The tactile richness of the fabric adds depth to your room without making the space feel thermally heavy. Pairing these pieces with glass coffee tables keeps the visual weight balanced and modern. Integrating cool natural stone into your decor provides a crisp, luxurious feel that is ideal for the warmer weather. Use white Carrara marble trays or pedestals to display your spring collectibles and curated art pieces. The natural veining of the stone adds an organic complexity that complements a minimalist luxury aesthetic perfectly. It serves as a reminder of the enduring beauty found in the Earth's most precious materials. Luxury spring decor is often defined by the scale and quality of your floral displays. Move beyond simple vases and opt for grand, architectural arrangements featuring white peonies, hydrangeas, and tall cherry blossom branches. Placing these in oversized ceramic or silver urns creates an immediate sense of arrival and opulence in entryways or dining rooms. These living sculptures breathe vitality into the home while scenting the air with the essence of the season. Strategically placed mirrors can double the impact of your spring sunlight and garden views. Large, ornate floor mirrors or mirrored accent furniture help to expand the visual boundaries of your room, making it feel palatial. Choose frames with intricate detailing or antique patinas to add a layer of historical luxury to a contemporary setting. This technique maximizes the glow factor that is so essential for a glamorous spring transformation. Swapping out heavy drapes for lightweight silk or high-end linen panels can completely transform the mood of a room. Opt for floor-to-ceiling lengths in pearlescent shades that puddle slightly on the floor for a romantic high-end look. As the spring breeze flows through, the movement of the fabric adds a cinematic quality to your living environment. It is a subtle change that yields a massive impact on the perceived luxury of the space. Spring is a wonderful time to rotate your art collection to feature pieces with lighter themes and more vibrant compositions. Frame delicate watercolors or abstract prints in sleek, minimalist frames to create a sophisticated gallery wall that feels intentionally curated. Proper lighting is key here, so ensure each piece is highlighted to showcase its unique textures and colors. A well-executed art wall serves as a testament to your personal style and appreciation for fine design. True glamour engages all the senses, making the olfactory experience of your home just as important as the visual. Invest in premium spring-scented candles or reed diffusers that feature notes of jasmine, citrus, and fresh rain. High-end brands often use beautiful vessels that act as decor pieces themselves, adding a touch of elegance to side tables. Consistent scenting creates a cohesive luxury identity that guests will remember long after they leave. Extend your luxury decor philosophy to your outdoor spaces as you prepare for spring entertaining. High-quality outdoor furniture with plush, weather-resistant cushions in neutral tones sets the stage for a glamorous garden retreat. Add outdoor rugs with intricate patterns and soft ambient lighting to make your patio feel like a natural extension of your indoor living room. This seamless transition between interior and exterior is the hallmark of a well-designed luxury home. The dining table is the heart of spring celebrations, and a luxurious tablescape is the ultimate finishing touch. Layer fine bone china with gold-rimmed glassware and crisp embroidered napkins for an unforgettable dining experience. Incorporate low-profile floral runners that allow for easy conversation while maintaining a lush, botanical aesthetic. We hope these tips help you create a stunning home. So please comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more.